Hello everyone, welcome to our English grammar class. Today we will learn about a very important part of English called pronouns. Please look at the screen. What exactly is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word. This word takes the place of a noun. Remember, a noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. Why do we use pronouns? We use pronouns to avoid repeating the same noun many times. This makes our sentences sound better and clearer. We will see how now. Look at this example. On the left side, we say Rahul is a student, Rahul is intelligent, Rahul likes to read books. We are repeating the name Rahul three times. It doesn't sound very good, does it? Now look at the right side. We say Rahul is a student, he is intelligent, he likes to read books. Here the word he takes the place of Rahul. This is a pronoun. It makes the sentences smoother and easier to understand. There are many types of pronouns. Today we will learn about the three most common and important types. First, personal pronouns. Second, possessive pronouns. And third, demonstrative pronouns. Let's start with personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are words that refer to specific people or specific things. They change based on who is speaking, who is being spoken to, or who is being spoken about. They also change if they are doing an action or receiving an action. First, let's learn about personal pronouns that are the subject of the sentence. This means that they are doing the action. I. Use I when you are speaking about yourself. For example, I saw a movie. You. Use you when speaking to one person or many people. For example, you are very kind. He. Use he for one male person. For example, he wrote a letter. She. Use she for one female person. For example, she cooks delicious food. It. Use it for one animal or one thing. For example, it is a book. We. Use we when you and others are doing something. For example, we played football. They. Use they for many people, many animals or many things. For example, they went to the market. Now, let's learn about personal pronouns that are the object of the sentence. This means that they are receiving the action. Me. For example, he called me. That is to say, I received the call. You. This is the same for the object form. For example, I saw you. Him. For example, she helped him. Her. For example, we met her. My brother waved at her. It. This is the same for the object form. For example, I like it. Us. For example, they invited us. My friend visited us. Them. For example, I taught them. I helped them with their homework. Here are the examples in the form of sentences. Next, let's learn about possessive pronouns. These words tell us who owns something. They show possession or ownership. For example, if a pen belongs to me, it is mine. Here are the possessive pronouns. Mine. Use mine when something belongs to me. For example, this book is mine. Yours. Use yours when something belongs to you. For example, is this pen yours? His. Use his when something belongs to a male person. For example, that car is his. Hers. Use hers when something belongs to a female person. For example, the bag is hers. Its. Use its when something belongs to an animal or thing. It's less common as a standalone pronoun. For example, the dog broke its toy. Here, its acts as a possessive adjective which we will clarify next. Ours. Use ours when something belongs to us. For example, the house is ours. Theirs. Use theirs when something belongs to them. For example, The decision is theirs. Here's a quick and important note. Words like my, your, his, her, its, are, their are called possessive adjectives, not pronouns. They always come before a noun. For example, this is my book. Here, my describes book. But possessive pronouns like mine stand alone and don't need a noun after them. For example, this book is mine. Remember this difference. Finally, let's look at demonstrative pronouns. These pronouns are used to point to specific things or people. They tell us if something is near or far, and if it is singular or plural. There are four main demonstrative pronouns. This. Use this for one thing that is near to you. For example, this is my phone, pointing to a phone in your hand. That. Use that for one thing that is far from you. For example, that is a bird, pointing to a bird in the sky. These. Use these for many things that are near to you. For example, these are my shoes, pointing to the shoes on the floor near you. Those. Use those for many things that are far from you. For example, those are mountains, pointing to mountains in the distance. Remember, this and that are for single things, and these and those are for many things. Just like with possessive words, this, that, these, those can also be demonstrative adjectives. When they are adjectives, they come before a noun. For example, this phone is mine. Here, this describes phone. But when they are pronouns, they stand alone. For example, this is my phone. This itself is the subject here, not describing another noun. Quizzes are a fantastic way to check understanding and reinforce learning. Here are some quiz questions focusing on personal, possessive, and demonstrative pronouns designed to complement the lesson you have gone through. Let's quickly review what we learned today. Pronouns are words that replace nouns to avoid repetition. We learned about three important types. Personal pronouns like I, he, she, we, them refer to specific people or things. Possessive pronouns like mine, yours, hers show ownership. And demonstrative pronouns like this, that, these, those point to specific things telling us if they are near or far, singular or many. Understanding pronouns will help you speak and write English much better. Keep practicing. Thank you for your attention. I hope this lesson helped you understand pronouns better. Keep practicing with simple sentences and you will become good at using them. Thank you.